Hello friends, in this video tutorial we will see the concept of fuzzy grouping. Now why is fuzzy grouping used? Fuzzy grouping is used to identify duplicate rows or columns having duplicate values in a SQL Server table. So how to do it? Let us see. For this example, in our database we have created a table called similar cities. In this table, there is city number and city name, two columns only. Now, there are only two city names present over here, New Delhi and New York. But for three records of New Delhi, there is a space in between New and Delhi, whereas for one record, that is record number 4, we have deliberately removed the space between New and Delhi. Similarly, for New York, there are total 4 records, out of which 3 are having space between the words New and York, whereas for record number 5, we have deliberately removed the space between the words New and York. Now, let us come to our package. Let us add a data flow task. Let us add OLEDB source object. Let us connect to the table. Similar cities is the table. Now, let us add fuzzy grouping. So fuzzy grouping has been added. Now to configure fuzzy grouping, first of all, we need to specify the database connection. Using this database connection, it will create the temporary tables that it will require to carry out calculations for its fuzzy algorithm. Now, over here in columns, we need to specify which column may contain duplicate values. So let us specify city name as the column which may contain duplicate values. The algorithm or the match type to be used is fuzzy, not the exact one. Now in advanced tab, over here you can change the names of the columns which will be auto generated by fuzzy grouping transformation. For now we will not change the names, let the system provided names remain as it is. Over here you can increase or decrease the similarity threshold. In our case, let us make the similarity threshold level to 50%. That is, if the values in the column are at least 50% matching with each other, then they will be considered as duplicate values. Now, having configured this, let us click OK. Now, let us add a sort transformation and let us provide a sort key. Sort key will be city name. We have added this sort transformation only because we want to add a data viewer. We want to see the data being output by fuzzy grouping transformation. We will see this data in our data viewer. So now everything is configured. So now let us run our package. So now we can see what is the output of fuzzy grouping transformation. The first column, that is key in, is nothing but a unique values. They are having unique values. Total 8 rows are there. So it is having values running from 1 to 8. It uniquely identifies each row. And similarly, key out values are filled, which means the output are only two distinct values. Either it is from row number 1 or row number 8. So row number 1 has new space Delhi and row number 8 has got new space York. So these are the only two distinct values which are output in our city underscore name underscore clean column, right? And there is also another column called score. So this particular score represents the percentage similarity between the data values. So with the help of the new column, that is underscore clean column that was newly added by the fuzzy grouping transformation, we can get data which is more standardized. Thank you.